Put up a bird feeder, a step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to break down the phrase, put up a bird feeder, and explore what it means, why you might want to do it, and how to go about it. Whether you're an English learner looking to expand your vocabulary or just interested in attracting birds to your garden, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Put up is a phrasal verb that can mean several things depending on the context, but in this case, it means to install or to hang something in a specific place. A bird feeder is an object used to supply food to birds. Combined, put up a bird feeder literally means installing a bird feeder in your garden or balcony to feed birds. There are many reasons you might want to put up a bird feeder. It can help local bird populations by providing them with a steady food source. Attract a variety of birds to your garden, allowing you to observe them up close. Serve as a relaxing hobby that connects you with nature. Offer educational opportunities for people of all ages to learn about different bird species and their behaviors. Before you can put up a bird feeder, you need to choose the right one. Consider the type of birds you want to attract. Different feeders and food types attract different species. The size of the feeder. Make sure it's big enough to hold a reasonable amount of food but not so large that it becomes cumbersome to refill or clean. Durability and maintenance. Choose a feeder that's easy to clean and refill and can withstand the elements, especially if you live in an area with harsh weather. Now, for the main event, putting up the bird feeder. Here are the basic steps. 1. Select a location. It should be easily visible to you but safe from predators. Near trees or bushes is ideal. 2. Prepare the feeder. Fill it with the appropriate type of bird food. 3. Install the feeder. Depending on the type, you might hang it from a tree, mount it on a pole, or attach it to a window. 4. Maintain the feeder. Regularly clean it and refill it with food to keep the birds coming back. We hope this guide helps you understand how to put up a bird feeder and encourages you to try it out for yourself. Not only will it benefit your local bird population, but it's also a wonderful way to enjoy nature's beauty right from your own backyard. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.